Hey friends, this is nashvryker again, and welcome back. This is the second video in my blog money method video series. And in this video, I just want to take you over some next steps once you have gotten your blog post created. Where do you go from there? So at this point, you should have already created at least one blog post. If you have not done that, then pause this video and do that now. Actually, that's what one of the instructions in the Fast Start training videos that you watched in the Empower Network back office. Dave Wood himself talks about that, and so it's vitally important. Go ahead and get you a blog post up so that you can go ahead and go through with the next steps and go ahead and learn kind of the flow here, you know, how to create a blog post and how to syndicate it and share it with the world. So basically that's what we're going to start doing next. Once the blog post is created, your next task then is just to share it. Share it all around the web, and the interested people will click on it, they'll visit your blog, they'll read your content, and many of them will sign up to your email list and also check out the Empower Network business because they just landed on your blog to read your content. That's how the system works. It does the work for you. You send the traffic and visitors to your blog posts, and the blog itself does the rest of the work for you. It does the marketing, it does the selling and things like that. It builds the credibility for you in Empower Network, and you don't have to do it all yourself. You don't have to get on the phone and field calls and try and convince people to check out what Empower Network is. You just follow the instructions that we give you here, and those people will naturally gravitate to you and be attracted to you. If you're watching this video right now, the system is working, right? It proves that it's working. You're watching this video because you were attracted to me somehow through my videos or my blog posts, whatever the case may be, and that's why you're here. So it'll work the exact same way for you. It works the same way for everybody that applies it consistently. So no doubt that it'll work for you as well. So basically, once your blog post is created, you can see I'm on my blog right now. What I'm going to do is take you over to a site called linkprosperity.com. Linkprosperity.com, this is what I use to shorten my links. It accomplishes several things. Number one, it shortens your link for you. It gives you a nice, pretty link to use. Otherwise, you'll be using, let me click on this here, and I'll show you what the link will look like. So if you look up here in the address bar, you'll notice this really long, kind of an ugly URL here. And we can change that and give you a nice, pretty shortened link, and you're also going to get some more functionality out of your page here when you start sharing it around the web. I'll show you that here in a second. So basically, Link Prosperity, here's how you do it. First of all, you're going to put in your destination URL. That's going to be the actual blog post right here that you are wanting to share. So I would copy this here. I would paste it into this. You'll create a page title. What I usually do is just copy whatever the title is of my blog post. Copy that, paste it right in there. You got your page description right here, and that would be, usually it would be like the first paragraph or something like that in your blog post. I'm just going to copy this here because there's a lot of space in between these lines. And we'll copy that little snippet, paste it in here in the description. And the thumbnail image URL. Now this is going to be for when you share this link, let's say on Facebook. All right, if you've ever shared a link on Facebook, you'll know that it actually pulls in a thumbnail image and a description of whatever that page is that you're sharing. So this is what it's going to display. So if you want a specific thumbnail image to be displayed, let me see if I have any images on here. Yeah, right here. So let's say this image is 100% commissions. I wanted to have that display as the thumbnail within Facebook when I embed this link in Facebook and share it around. Okay, so basically you would just copy the link location of this. Let's say, all right, right here, if you're in Firefox, you can right click on any image and you can click on copy image location. You can do that on any image around the web. You can go to Google image searches and find the specific image you want to use. You can right click on it and copy image location, and then you can paste that right in here. Okay, you can see the puts a link all the way to the actual image file right here. Commissions.jpg is the actual image file. One other thing that you can do as far as that goes is you can use a third-party image hosting company like Image Shack or PhotoBucket. You can upload your image to there, and they will give you the direct link, the direct image link that you need to paste in right here. Okay, so you can do it that method as well. And then the last step is your Empower Network username. You put that in right here. One other thing is the URL slug, and that basically is the text that appears after the slash right here. So your link that you're going to be given is going to be start with linkprosperity.com / and then whatever you put in here is going to be part of your shortened URL. So basically what I like to do is go up into my blog post, the actual URL to my blog post, and copy like maybe the first part. Maybe I'll just do 100 commissions. Let's see. I'll put that in here as my, maybe I'll even add percent right there, right? So 100% commissions, right? So all these details are filled in. You're just going to hit shorten link, and right here is the link that you are given. You copy that. That's the link that you're going to share all over the web, all right? You're going to share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google+, LinkedIn, all those places, okay? Now, right here you can see it gives you a very quick way to go ahead and share on Facebook, on Twitter. It gives you a QR code that you can use. You can actually right-click on this, save the image if you want to, or copy image location. You can embed that on different places around the web as well. Just another way for people to access your blog post, right? If they scan this with their smartphone, it'll take them right to your blog post link. So basically, once you got your link prosperity link created, you want to copy this, put it in a safe place so that you got it, because you're going to be using it multiple times all around the web, okay? So the second step in the process, and this is very important for you to understand how simple this process is with blogging. Power Network makes it so simple. The first step is to blog, right? Just create blog content. I covered that in the last video, how simple that is, and you have unlimited blog content topic ideas to cover, and all you need to do is blog every day. Once you have a blog post created, and that blog post has some kind of value, interest, interesting information, content, or something entertaining or useful, then there's naturally going to be people that want to read that content or watch that video or whatever that is, right? People that want what it is you're sharing. So the next step of the process is just to share it. Share your link, share your blog post all over the internet, okay? Post it within groups where there are targeted, interested people congregating, okay? So if you are doing a blog post on, like for example, this blog post that I just gave a demonstration on is called 100% commissions. Are these people insane? Okay, and this is all about Empower Network and how they offer 100% commissions on their products. Okay, so anybody that is going to be interested in earning 100% commissions, and those are people that are looking to make money online, work from home, internet entrepreneur, those type of things. So the first thing I want to think about is, where are those people congregating on the internet? Where are they at? Where are they getting together and talking about these subjects and these topics together, right? Well, forums is one, internet marketing forums, work at home forums. There's an unlimited number of discussion forums on the web where those people congregate. There's also Facebook. Within Facebook, you have Facebook groups, and there is an unlimited number of Facebook groups based around different topics and niches of interest, right? So you can actually join these groups, Facebook groups, and then share your blog post link in all of those Facebook groups where targeted people are congregating and visiting, and we'll see your content as soon as it's posted there. Okay, Twitter, another one. if you develop your Twitter following with people within a related niche, then every tweet that you send out is going to be going to a targeted audience, and it's going to create targeted clicks and views to your blog post. So the next step then is with link prosperity. Once you have copied this link here, let's take a look at what it looks like. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it in here. I had a link opened up here for you, but I'm just going to use the one that I created in the demonstration. Alright, so when you go to this link, check this out. Now, first of all, you'll see, yeah, I'm on my blog post, just like we had planned, but there's something different now. At the top here, you'll notice this Prosperity Team logo bouncing around a little bit. Alright, when I hover over that, you got several links that pop up here. Hang out with us. That takes your visitors to our weekly Google Hangout session that happens where we get together. I'll go ahead and take you to it real quick here. We get together every week with the top income earners that are a part of Empower Network and the Prosperity Team, and we do a live Google Hangout where thousands of people tune in to watch and listen to these top earners talk about how they're getting their success, how they're making $40,000, $50,000 a month, working less than anybody else out there. People that are earning more in 1 month than most people earn in an entire year. We learn from those people all the time. This Google Hangout is one way to do that. It's very down to earth, very casual setting, right? There's nothing formal about it. Everybody's just sharing from the heart. And we do this every Wednesday night at 9 o'clock. And if for some reason you can't make it, or you're in between hangouts, then there's always a replay of the previous week right here. This is powerful stuff, because this link that you just created always has this Google Hangout link right here. And if you notice right here, that when I went to the Hangout, my Empower Network ID is attached to the end of this URL. That means that if anybody joins my team right here from this page, I will get credit for it. They will actually go on my team, my Empower Network team, and I'll get commission for the commission for that. Now, a couple other things on this Link Prosperity link that we're back to here. You have visit my blog. They can go straight to your blog homepage here, and they can go straight to the join page right here. This is the Empower Network join page, okay, or the Prosperity Team join page, and this signs them up for the $25 Empower Network blogging platform, okay? And you can see right here is the sponsor ID, which is my Empower Network ID. And that's all built in for you right here. Now, that's not all. This bar goes across the top, also has all of these social networking share buttons. You have your Facebook like right here, where you can like it and leave a comment. You have right here where you can send an email. You can share this blog post with email friends. You can click right here and send it via Facebook, post it on your Facebook wall, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Google+. And if you click on this, you got multiple different share options, I believe here. If you, click on the more. You click on the more, and you have all these different social networks now that you can also share this to. So the very first step you want to do, once your blog post is created, and you've done the link prosperity and created your shortened link, then what you want to do is share that link all over the web. The first place you start, though, is sharing it on your own social networks, right? So share it on your own social profiles, drive visitors and traffic from there. And then in the next video, I'm going to actually show you some additional steps as to how to advertise and market and promote your Empower Network blogs and your Empower Network business. And so anyways, I hope this helped, guys. Take action on this stuff. Get your blog content created. Create a blog post every day. Shorten it with Link Prosperity. And then start sharing that Link Prosperity link all over the internet, driving traffic and visitors. And the system will automatically do the work for you. You'll start getting leads on your email list. You'll start getting sales to your Empower Network business. And you'll start getting commissions to your bank account. So take action with this, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.